Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talkery. I'm David, and it's great to have you here again. Today, I want to talk about something very important, something that many English textbooks don't teach you. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever studied English for years, learned all the grammar rules, memorized thousands of words, but then you listen to native speakers and think, wait, what are they saying? I don't understand. This happens to almost every English learner. Why? Because native speakers don't talk like textbooks. In real life, native English speakers use different words and phrases. They use short forms. They use casual expressions. They use slang. And if you don't know these words and phrases, you will have trouble understanding real conversations. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to teach you the most common words and phrases that native speakers actually use every day. These are not formal words from textbooks. These are real, natural expressions that you'll hear in movies, TV shows, and everyday conversations. Are you ready? Let's learn how native speakers really talk. So, what words and phrases do native speakers actually use? Let me share some with you. First, let's talk about greetings. In textbooks, you learn, "How are you?" And the answer is, "I'm fine, thank you." And you? But native speakers rarely say this. Instead, they say, "What's up?" or "Hey, how's it going?" And the answer? Instead of "I'm fine, thank you," they say, "I'm good, not bad, pretty good." Or even just "Hey." Very casual, right? This is how real people talk. Another common greeting is, "How are you doing?" The answer is usually just "Good, you?" Remember, in casual conversation, native speakers keep it short and simple. Now, let's talk about shortened words. Native speakers love to make words shorter. Here are the most common ones. Instead of "going to," they say "gonna." Textbook. I am going to study English. Native speaker. I'm gonna study English. Instead of "want to," they say "wanna." Textbook. Do you want to go to the movies? Native speaker. Do you want to go to the movies? Instead of "got to" or "have to," they say "gotta." Textbook. I have to go now. Native speaker. I gotta go now. Instead of "kind of," they say "kinda." Textbook. I am kind of tired. Native speaker. I'm kinda tired. Instead of "don't know," they say "dunno." Textbook. I don't know. Native speaker. I don't know. These short forms are used all the time in casual speech. When you watch movies or TV shows, listen for them. You'll hear them everywhere. Next, let me teach you some casual phrases that native speakers use every day. For sure. This means yes, definitely. Example, are you coming to the party? For sure. No way. This means I don't believe it or absolutely not. Example, did you hear Tom won the lottery? No way. I'm down. This means I agree or I want to do it. Example, want to grab some coffee? Yeah, I'm down. Hang out. This means to spend time with someone casually. Example, let's hang out this weekend. Catch up. This means to talk and share news with someone you haven't seen for a while. Example, we should catch up sometime. My bad. This means I'm sorry, it's my fault. Example. Oh, my bad. I didn't see you there. No biggie or no big deal. This means it's not a problem. Example. Sorry I'm late. No biggie. Now let's look at some casual words that native speakers use all the time. Stuff. Native speakers use this word for things. Textbook. I have many things to do. Native speaker. I have a lot of stuff to do. Awesome or cool. These mean very good or great. Textbook. That is very good. Native speaker. That's awesome or that's cool. Chill. This can mean relax or calm. Let's just chill at home tonight. Let's relax. He's a very chill person. He's very relaxed and calm. Grab. Native speakers use this instead of get or buy. Textbook. Let's get some coffee. Native speaker. Let's grab some coffee. Totally. This means completely or absolutely. Textbook. I completely agree. Native speaker. I totally agree. Like. Native speakers often use like as a filler word. It was like so funny. I was like really surprised. Note. Using like too much is not grammatically correct, but native speakers do it all the time in casual speech. Let me also teach you some quick responses that native speakers use. When someone says something interesting, really, or no way, or seriously. When you agree, totally, or for sure, or absolutely. When something is not important, whatever, or no worries. When you're thinking, or let me think, or well. When you don't understand, wait, what? Or huh? Or come again? These little words and sounds make your English sound much more natural. Now, I need to tell you something very important. All the words and phrases I just taught you are casual. This means you use them with friends, family, or in informal situations. But in formal situations, like job interviews, business meetings, or writing emails to your boss, you should use more formal English. For example, casual. Hey, what's up? Want to grab lunch? Formal. Hello, how are you? Would you like to have lunch? Both are correct, but they're used in different situations. So, when should you use casual English? With friends, when watching movies, in everyday conversations. When should you use formal English? At work, in academic settings, with people you don't know well. Understanding the difference will help you sound natural in every situation. So, let's review what we learned today. Native speakers use many casual words and phrases that you won't find in textbooks. They say, "What's up?" instead of, "How are you?" They use short forms like gonna, wanna, and gotta. They use casual phrases like for sure, no way, and hang out. They use everyday words like stuff, awesome, and grab. Now, I have a challenge for you. Today, try to use one or two of these phrases. Say them out loud. Practice them. Watch an English movie or TV show and listen for these words. I promise you'll hear them everywhere. The more you use these casual expressions, the more natural your English will sound. And when you sound natural, you'll feel more confident. Remember, learning English is not just about textbooks and grammar. It's about learning how real people really talk. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope this episode helps you understand native speakers better. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to Talkery for more helpful tips. Leave a comment and tell me, which of these phrases did you already know? Which ones were new to you? Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking English. My name is David, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.